Okay, let's install our hypervisor so that we can create our virtual machines. But before that, what is a hypervisor? A hypervisor is basically a piece of software that sits between the computer's hardware and the virtual machine. Think of it like a property manager who divides land for independent tenants. They divide how much land a tenant can use, just like how a hypervisor divides how much CPU, memory, and storage a virtual machine can use. This basically allows a computer to run multiple operating systems at the same time, all on a single computer without rebooting the system. Now, normally you would have to reboot the system, then go to the BIOS to install an operating system. But in this case, we can just install an operating system on top of an existing operating system that we're already using. Kind of awesome, right? Alright, so before we install our hypervisors, let's talk about the two types of hypervisors, type 1 and type 2. So, type 1 hypervisors run directly on the hardware, meaning that there's no operating systems in between. This makes them extremely efficient and performant, which is why they're commonly used at data centers and by big cloud providers or hosting providers. Some examples of this type of hypervisor would be Proxmox VE, which is one of the most popular ones, KVM, and Microsoft Hyper-V. And actually, there's a lot more, but those are the most common ones. Now, Type 2 hypervisors, on the other hand, run as a software application on top of an existing operating system. And this will be the type of hypervisor we'll be installing on our own machine because these are perfect for learning, development, and especially home labs because they're easy to install, use, and also uninstall. So in the next video, we'll be installing this hypervisor for your operating system. Since different operating systems uses different hypervisors, please go to the video which matches your operating system.